Hi, I'm Rafe. I'm a software engineer at Future Insight, and today we will be driving into the world of website. Having a website is not just a trend, it's a necessity. And today I will show you how you can have your own website in just 3 minutes. It's simple, it's easy, and you can do it your own. And totally it's free. But before I dive and I can show you how you can build your own website from scratch, I will show you the pros of having your own website. So let's get started. So for you guys, I have created a blog post. You can visit futureinsight.blog and slash web development slash claim your website. And in this blog post, I'm going to show you how you can some key points and what are the major components so that you can create your own website and host it. So I have a intro why you need a website, different components like building a website, hosting a website, and then how you can create your own website. You have a Hugo based website, you have your WordPress website. Each step is documented pretty well, along with how you can create your Wix based website, along with them pros and the cons of each website. I will link this blog post in the description below so that you guys can follow along. I am also following this guide on in this video, and let's get started on building our building our WordPress based website. So why do we need a website in this current age, is current time? Everybody keep asking me why. So a website is a way on internet where you can uh, represent yourself, you can showcase your work, you can tell people that you aren't very good in a specific domain job, or even if you're not good, you need to show you some kind of relevance with online. With the world moving forward in 2023 and in every way possible, you need a way to represent yourself. So, for example, let's just think you're a software engineer and you want some clients, you want to do some freelancing, but unfortunately, you don't know how to showcase this. You have a proper ancient 2002 written CV in PDF file. That's old. Nobody want to read those CVs. They want something cool, fast, animated website so that they can quickly go through your previous work, portfolio, and everything. And they know that you are capable of designing and coding something like this. But there are a lot of free services out there that can do it for free for you guys, and you don't need to be a professional developer. If you're for example, you're a home cook and you store a lot of your recipes in a written diary like in Asian, or if you're using a Notion, then you can just create a WordPress or Wix or Hugo Post website, and you can post all of your recipes online, and you can add Google Ads or AdSense, and you will get a lot of as a side hustle. It's a full-fledged semi business for you guys if you're not active that much. So it's a pretty much good way to represent who you are on your online community, and the chance of getting you something amazing and good and secure is highly possible. You cannot believe that I did not have a website and I lost a lot of clients. But when I have my own website, my own platform, people come through on my website and they saw my blogs, they go through my portfolio, my CV, my everything. Um, I have about like 5,000 views per month, which is insane. 5,000 views per month for overall on all my blogs is pretty new. So on average, my blog post gets only something 50 to 60 views, but it is still pretty much with Google AdSense on. I I do make up quite a lot. So having a website is pretty much important. And today I'll show you how. So this is the I already told you guys this is the written blog, and you can go through it. But having your own website is something you need majorly two components for: is creating your website, and now you once you have created your website, then you need to host your website. So first of all, we'll go through how you can create your website, and then we will go through your host how you can host your website. Uh, for creating a website, you have three major options. First is going to be a Hugo based static website. third is going to be a WordPress based website, and second is going to be WordPress, and third is going to be your Wix website. Let me give you a heads up. If you are not that much technical and you just want a simple plug and play system, then I will recommend that you go with beginning for WordPress or Wix. It's a full-fledged content management system for you guys. You can create and host your own website for free without any prior knowledge. But you have some experience and you want something quick and fast, and you want to post blog something in just using plain HTML CSS, then go with Hugo. As you can see, my I have built my website using Hugo framework, and so it's a highly customizable. So I have coded every single piece that I want. So there is no bloat, there is no unnecessary JavaScript code there, and it's pretty fast. You can see the scrolling time, the animation. It's all I can switch between different themes, and the animation, these transitions, they are pretty cool. So that's what I did. But in the future video, I will show you how you can create your Hugo website. But in this video, I will show you how you can create your WordPress website and your Wix website. So go to 000webhost.com and just create an account. It's pretty simple. Just you fill your email and email password, and then create your account. Once you are logged in, then you can click on this create button, create a new website. It will take some time. So Triple O's web host is a hosted by or is controlled by Hostinger, from where you can buy your domains, you can buy your SSL certificates, and you can even host your own website. But this is their free tier. So you will select, do you want a plain website or do you have WordPress? So beginners, I would go for WordPress. Name is optional, just forget it, but do not forget the password. It is something that is very important. So I just created. This will take some time, depending upon, and I have missed something. Yes, the password is required: one number, one lower caps, and 8 characters, and one word. So that's why I have created a password, and it will take some time to install WordPress. But once you are done, you will welcome into the dashboard. I have already described this everything in my blog post. Link in the description. So check it out. So this will take some time, depending upon your internet connection and the speed. Yeah, this will take some time, around 5 ish minutes. So once it's done, then I will be back, and it's done. I didn't need to. So now once you are in your dashboard, it will give you an accent name. If you have provided, then that name will be used. But since I haven't, then it has auto selected a name for you. Your username was going to be admin, and you're going to set a password. And yes, please do not forget this password, because if you do, it's going to be a pain to change. So I'm just going to super secure password, and I'm going to select primary language. If you're familiar with English, then go with English. If you're familiar with something else, go with something else. So now this will take some time to install WordPress, because WordPress is a PHP based website modifier, you can say that. But it will take some time. So once it's complete, then I will be back, and it's done. It took around, you can say, 3 to 4 minutes, depending on your internet speed. So now to open your website, just go to this, click here, and to redirect to your predefined URL. And here's your demo website. It's not great, it's just a simple template, but we can customize it, and I can show you how. So let's just in all you need to access your in order to access your admin dashboard, in the URL just add slash and then admin. And this is the cool thing about WordPress, that you do not need to uh, that you need to set up on some other website, that it gives you a admin prompt. So by default, I told you do not forget your password. So just press admin, and then enter your password, super secure password. And if that password is correct, you'll be logged into your admin dashboard. So this is the your free dashboard. So now in order to make some changes, so from here post, you can add a new post for your blog website. You can create new blog posts. You can create categories. You can add tags. You can upload media libraries. Here are different pages for your website. You can read the comment section, and this is the important thing that is the curious to us. You can change the appearance of your website, and you can go through themes. So there are a lot of free themes for you. but there are only three themes that are already installed. But I'm gonna search new themes in the App Store and let's see what I like. So let's just find a theme that I like. Oh, I like this one. So let's just go and preview this theme. I like it. It's clean, simple with the interactive moderness. So, oops. So let's just install this theme and begin to install your theme. You can also change the color scheme of this theme. There are free templates, and now we'll press activate. Once you have pressed activate, now you can now we need to check. We log out and see thus this theme has taken any effect on it. So let's just check it out. And voila, our theme has been implemented. So you can mix and match, like for example, if you're a tech enthusiast, then you can set up one theme and then you want to change another, you can move to a different theme. So in order to access the admin panel, so just press admin and that's how you can access the admin panel. Let's just add some few pages and see how that thing works. All right, so let's just create a new post. So there's already post of hello world, but you can create a new post. You can transfer this website to Hostinger. So it's not expensive. Let me warn you, free tiers can be slow, but it has its limitation. But if you are using web double double O web host, then I would recommend that you should go to hostinger.com. It's a pretty cool it's a pretty cool university. It's a platform university which allows you to build your website and host them for free. So hosting your website is pretty easy. They're like I'm in Pakistan, so my plan is like for premium plan is like 1,000 rupees, almost 900 rupees per month, and they give you 2 year free. In this, they will give you a standard performance, 100 website, 100 gig of SSD. That storage can allow you to host your content, your images, your videos, your blog, everything you need. It will create a weekly backup. It will give you a certificate, unlimited bandwidth, an email, and a domain as well. That domain is worth a lot more than you can see, and there are a lot of much more products. But if you're starting up, then you don't need to pay up. But if you see a lot of traction, then you can upgrade to the pro tier, and then you can get a lot more for it. That's how I have done. So that's how you can set up a WordPress website using Hostingers and 000 web hosting. You see, so in this video you have seen how you can create your own website with just few clicks. Click there on WordPress, create a PHP based website on Wix. Few clicks, you create your own something that you like. Both platforms are pretty good for beginners, for something who want to start their journey, for software engineers who just want to tinker around and does not know how to develop a website. They can grow their audience and then migrate to something that they have created something more refined and more polished. But let me give you a heads up and a warning that these websites, they might be free, but they create a deep rabbit hole there from there is no coming back. These controlling websites hook you up, and they might sometimes not provide all the features that you're looking for. So if something is not working for you in WordPress or Wix, then I highly recommend that you go with something custom. Custom is the best way to get what you want, and there are a lot of services out there that can help you create your own custom. If you like, I can create something custom for you. I have linked my upper profile down in the description below, and you can check it out. And contact me via my website or email. And in next video, I will show you how to create a full-fledged website using Hugo, and how I have created my own website. Until then, I'll see you next time.